During its launch, a Russian rocket is struck by lightning, creating a dramatic yet unforgettable visual. These scuba divers feared for their lives when lightning struck the water surface. Imagine the fear this guy experienced as he saw a tornado through continuous lightning strikes. Looks like Thor came to Earth again. You'd think that getting struck by lightning once in a river during a thunderstorm would be enough for anyone to move out of there, but these two gentlemen needed another display of nature's power to start caring about their lives. No, your eyes aren't mistaken. Sometimes electricity does travel upward. Those poor fish in the water probably turned to crisp in a second. There's something weirdly jaw-dropping about seeing a bolt of lightning hitting one of the most iconic landmarks in the US, the Washington Monument. These four men were struck by lightning and immediately fell. She was just recording the weather, not knowing that a lightning strike was about to fry her electric fence. Everyone thinks these are lightning strikes, but they are created by the static electricity from a volcanic eruption. She was just filming a moth and ended up capturing a lightning strike in her backyard. That swing was literally electrifying. Disintegrating a huge tree is child's play for a lightning strike. He filmed at the exact moment a lightning struck a tree. There's a reason people tell you not to stand under a tree during a thunderstorm. Imagine singing so bad that God zaps your house to make you stop. He dodged that lightning strike by the slightest margin. Ever wanted to watch lightning strike water in slow motion? We've got you covered. His body collapsed like a doll to the ground after getting struck by lightning, but he miraculously survived. One moment, they were all playing peacefully, and in the next, a lightning strike dropped the whole team unconscious on the ground.
Oh wow, it's pretty rocky here, hey. Hey, slide down on the rocks, baby, it's dangerous in there.
A lightning strike struck meters away from this family group. Moments later, as they were still collecting themselves, a second strike happened. We bet you haven't seen a straight lightning strike before. The air probably tasted like a 9-volt battery after that lightning strike. This poor pelican was hit by lightning. You might think that this is a sci-fi movie, but even though it's hard to believe, it's actually real. As he was driving, 3 consecutive lightning strikes happened right in front of him.